Welcome back to Auto Drives, the channel where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the most exciting cars hitting the roads worldwide. If you're passionate about cars, luxury performance, and futuristic innovation, make sure to stay tuned because today we are talking about a car that blends performance with ultimate luxury, the all-new 2026 BMW M7. The BMW 7 Series has always been a symbol of prestige, class, and technology. But the M7 takes things to an entirely new level. For years, BMW fans have been asking if the brand would create a true M version of the 7 Series flagship. Now, for 2026, BMW has finally answered with a sedan that combines the luxury of a limousine with the heart of a supercar. Let's start with the design. The 2026 BMW M7 carries an aggressive yet elegant exterior. The massive kidney grille has been reshaped to look sportier while being flanked by sleek laser headlights with a slimmer profile. The front bumper is carved with larger air intakes to cool the powerful engine. On the sides, the M7 has muscular lines, aerodynamic sculpting, and bold M badging that instantly separates it from the standard 7 Series. At the back, quad exhausts and a subtle carbon fiber lip spoiler complete the look, making sure it screams performance without losing the executive presence. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. The 2026 BMW M7 is expected to feature a hybrid V8 engine paired with advanced electric assistance. Together, they generate around 750 horsepower, allowing this luxury sedan to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.2 seconds. That's faster than many sports cars, yet you'll be sitting in a cabin designed for the utmost comfort. The M division has tuned the chassis with adaptive suspension, dynamic steering, and an advanced all-wheel drive system. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing it on twisty roads, the M7 delivers a thrilling driving experience. Inside, the luxury truly shines. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, fine wood trims, and carbon fiber accents that remind you of its sporty DNA. The new BMW curved display stretches across the dashboard, merging the digital instrument cluster with a massive infotainment screen. The BMW iDrive 9 system offers intuitive controls, augmented reality navigation, and even voice-activated features that make the experience futuristic. Rear seat passengers are treated like royalty with reclining, massaging seats, personal entertainment screens, and even a small refrigerator for ultimate convenience. One of the standout features is BMW's focus on technology and sustainability. The hybrid system not only boosts performance but also increases efficiency, allowing short distances to be driven on pure electric power. On top of that, advanced driver assistance features include hands-free highway driving, smart parking, and 360-degree safety system. This makes the M7 not just a performance beast, but also one of the safest and smartest luxury sedans on the market. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 BMW M7 is expected to start around $170,000, making it a serious investment. But for those who demand the combination of ultimate power, cutting-edge technology, and luxury refinement, this car is unmatched. So, is the 2026 BMW M7 worth it? If you're looking for a car that combines the thrill of a sports car with the comfort of a luxury limousine, then absolutely. It's not just a car, it's a statement that BMW M division can deliver uncompromised performance even in their flagship luxury sedan. That's all for today's video on the 2026 BMW M7. What are your thoughts on this incredible machine? Do you think it can compete with rivals like the Mercedes AMG S63 or Audi A8? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drives for more exciting car reviews and updates. And as always, thanks for watching.